What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today my grandmom was going through her old things and I found this wig. I used to rock this wig back in the day when I was like in my first year, but life happened and it's all shades of wrong now. Plus somebody totally cut out all of the lace front. It's a lace front wig, guys, so somebody cut off all of the lace and it's all shades of wrong right now. I'm going to try my best to fix it. There's a lot of things going on outside. I'm going to try my best to fix it, and if you guys want to see how I do that, you wait till the end of the video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's do this thing. Real quick, before I get into anything, this video was done on different days, so if you guys see major changes, please understand that these were the various days I was talking about. So I wore a plastic bag over my mannequin head because things were about to get messy and I was trying to protect my mannequin head. Again, I'm wearing my wig on the head, and after that I'm just going to try and comb out the wig. It's kind of really tangled, so I decided to go in with some oil and some hair mayonnaise to try and put it so that it tries to soften the wig or what. So I'm just going to put that everywhere on the wig and then just wait. So there, guys, as you can see, the wig looks a bit softer now. I'm just going to leave it for about 3 hours. I'm going to put it in a plastic bag and leave for about 3 hours, and then I'm going to wash it and dry it. So here is how your wig should look like after you have dried it, and I'm going to try and blow dry it now so that it becomes straight, or at least try to detangle it by brushing. As you can see, it's really not technical doing this on camera, so I did this off camera because it was kind of difficult to do that. Again, I'm wearing a wig cap now, and I'm just going to wear the wig which I've already brushed. So I'm going to use my straightener right now on medium heat because this is a synthetic wig, and if it's very hot, it's going to burn the wig. I tried to do like silk press, it wasn't working because the hair was tangled, so I just decided to trim off the ends because I believe the ends were really rough, thus giving it a blonde cut kind of look. After doing that, I'm just going to take some hair out of my hair. I do not braid my hair under the cap, so I'm just going to pull out some hair which I'm going to use as a leave out, and then straighten it. Again, my hair is in the transitioning phase. I don't know if I want to relax it or cut my hair, so just bear with me. Right now I'm going to secure my wig with some bobby pins. Okay, and then now I'm going to blend out the rest of my hair. I'm just going to comb it to try and mix it with the wig. I'm going to further blend this by using hair mousse, which I didn't show. I'm just going to apply the hair mousse directly on my hair, and again I laid my edges, so I'm just going to show you how it looks like real close. So this is how the hair turned out. I kind of love it, you know, I kind of like it. It looks nice. So there, guys, that's it for today. That's the end of my video, and I love you. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to follow my social media.